Hi, friends of the Salem Public Library. It's Rhonda here, bringing you another video on this one will be on Indeed.com. I know as summer rolls around, many people are looking for summer employment, or perhaps you're just looking to change your career. I wanted to show you how you can narrow down some of your search results. One thing I really want to point out before we get started, it is an excellent idea for you to go ahead and create your own profile here. You can upload your resume, which will make it easier for employers to seek you out for a specific role. You can save your job postings so you don't spend hours just sifting through pages and pages to find the one post that you were really looking for. And it also provides you with an opportunity to apply directly on the Indeed website. So I highly suggest going ahead and creating your profile. Once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and start searching for a job. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just work with clerical. Now, without entering in a city or a state, you can see that there are well over 200 pages, 200,000 pages of opportunities here. Now, if you are looking for remote work, I want to clarify that you should not enter in a specific location because after the pandemic started, companies have really opened up a lot of remote roles. And if you add a city or a location, you are putting up a wall that could help you, could hinder you from finding better job opportunities. So if you're looking for remote work, please make sure you leave your where space blank. That will open up lots of opportunities for you. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and search in Columbiana. And down here, our postings have dramatically reduced, which is a good thing. Now we can start filtering through these options and finding specific goals for you. So if you're looking for a specific amount of money, which I always think is very important to know the value of your work, you can go in here and search for just jobs that are going to pay you that at least that minimum salary requirement. So say we wanted to do 35,000 a year, and now we're down to, it says page 1 of 35 jobs. You can go into job type, click whichever one you're looking for. We'll go with full time. Experience level is a big one because if you have more than just the entry level experience, that will certainly open up some other additional opportunities for you. But for this purpose, we'll go with entry level. Okay. And really, here we are. I do like to go in and check an education option as well, especially if you went to college or if you have a degree or a certification of some kind. You can go ahead and enter that in here. So for now, we'll just go at high school degree. And now we are down to 8 postings. Now, this is where you will start to find the jobs that are available in your area. And when you are ready to click on one of the opportunities, you will notice this side box sort of pops up here. If you're interested in this job, but maybe you don't have time to go through it right now, you would go up to the little heart icon and click on it. Now, once you do that, it will show up. It'll be a little gray like this. As you can see, I'd previously done this just for the sake of the video. And you can go up to your profile, click on My Jobs, and there it is. There's the jobs that I have saved. That'll save you so much time because it really can be tedious when you're going back and forth trying to find a specific posting. Well, friends, that's really all I had for you today. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of how to narrow down your searches. I hope this helped, and feel free to like and subscribe to the Salem Public Library's Facebook and YouTube page, and leave comments for me. If there's a video you would like to see in the future, I would love to do that for you. Just let us know. All right, thank you. Have a great day.